This is Sir Doc. My topic to share with you today is all about changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. To change dissimilar fractions to similar fractions, it is imperative that you should know first the basic facts, like finding the LCM of the given numbers. The LCD is the least common multiple of the given numbers, where we are going to use in changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. Let us start with dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators. Example number 1, 2 over 5 and 4 over 8. 2/5 has a denominator of 5 and 4 over 8 has a denominator of 8. Their denominators are not the same. Number 2 example, 6 over 7 and 10 over 12. 6 over 7 has a denominator of 7 and 10 over 12 has a denominator of 12. Their denominators are not the same. Number 3, 9 over 15 and 4 over 6. Their denominators are not the same. They are dissimilar fractions. Next is, we have similar fractions. Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. Examples. Number 1, 4 over 5 and 3 over 5. 4 over 5 has a denominator of 5 and 3 over 5 has a denominator of 5. Their denominators are the same. Number 2 example. 7 over 9, 3 over 9, 5 over 9. 7 over 9 has a denominator of 9, 3 over 9 has a denominator of 9, and 5 over 9 has a denominator of 9. They have the same denominators. Therefore, they are similar fractions. So don't forget, dissimilar fractions are fractions with different denominators, while similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. So let us have now example number 1. Change 1/2 and 2/3 to similar fraction. So let us follow the steps. Step number 1, list the multiples of the denominators 2 and 3. Multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Then after that, the first multiple of 2 is 2 and the first multiple of 3 is 3. And the next multiple of 2 after 2 is 4. And the next multiple of 3 after 3 is 6. And the next multiple of 2 after 4 is 6. Now, take a look. 2 has a multiple of 6 and 3 has also a multiple of 6. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Step number 2. We are going to copy 1/2 and 2/3 here. Then after that, write the multiplication sign after 1/2 and the multiplication sign also after 2/3. Then after that, we leave a blank there in 1/2 and 2/3. Then after that, an equal sign and a fraction sign. Next is, we will use the LCM as the LCD of 1/2 and 2/3, which is 6. So, to those who have difficulty in dividing numbers, this is the easiest way to find the numbers to be multiplied by 1/2 and 2/3. So first, we are going to count the number of places for the multiples of 2. 2 is 1, 4 is 2, and 6 is 3. Now, we are going to use now 3 as 3 over 3 to be multiplied by 1/2. Then after that, count the number of places for the multiples of 3. So 3 is 1 and 6 is 2. Now, we are going to use now 2 as 2 over 2 to to be multiplied by 2/3. So after that, we are going to multiply 1 times 3 equals 3. And 2 times 2 equals 4. Alright, 1/2 now is changed to 3/6. 2/3 is also changed to 4/6. Now, 3/6 and 4/6 have the same denominators. Therefore, they are similar fractions. Next, example number 2. We have changed 3 and 4/6 and 2/7 to similar fraction. So, the first step, we have to list the multiples of the given numbers, multiple of 6 and a multiple of 7. Then after that, let us have the first multiple of 6 is 6, and the first multiple of 7 is 7, and the next multiple of 6 after 6 is 12, and the next multiple of 7 after 7 is 14, and the next multiple of 6 after 12 is 18, and the next multiple of 7 after 14 is 21, and the next multiple of 6 after 18 is 24, and the next multiple of 7 after 21 is 28, the next multiple of 6 after 24 is 30, and the next multiple of 7 after 28 is 35, and the next multiple of 6 after 30 is 36, and the next multiple of 7 after 35 is 42, and the next multiple of 6 after 36 is 42. Take a look. 6 has a multiple of 42 and 7 has also a multiple of 42. Therefore, 42 is the LCM of 6 and 7. Step number 2. We are going to copy 3 and 4/6 and 2/7 here. Then write the multiplication sign after 3 and 4/6 and a multiplication sign after 2/7. Then after that, we're going to leave that blank. Then after that, an equal sign and equal sign also here. Then a fraction sign. After that, don't forget to copy 3 as a whole number here. Then, we are going to use now the LCM as the LCD of 3 and 4/6 and also 2/7. Then, we are going to count now the number of places for the multiples of 6. 6 is 1, 12 is 2, 18 is 3, 24 is 4, 30 is 5, 36 is 6, and 42 is 7. Use now 7 as 7/7 to be multiplied by 3 and 4/6. We are going to count also the number of places for the multiples of 7. 7 is 1, 14 is 2, 21 is 3, 28 is 4, 35 is 5, and 42 is 6. Now, we are going to use now 6 as 6/6 to be multiplied by 2/7. What are we going to do next? We are going to multiply 4 times 7 equals 28. Then, 2 times 6 equals 12. Alright? So, 3 and 4/6 now is changed to 3 and 28/42. And 2/7 now is changed to 12/42. Their denominators now are the same. Therefore, they are similar fractions. To test if anyone has learned, please answer the following. Change the following to similar fraction. There are only 5 numbers. I will give you 3 minutes to answer, and I will be back to check your answers. Okay? Time is up. Number 1, 16 over 56 and 21 over 56. Number 2, we have 48 over 60 and 30 over 60. Number 3, we have 2 over 12 and 6 over 12 and 4 over 12. Number 4, we have 7 and 24 over 36 and 27 over 36. And number 5, 3 and 18 over 63 and 4 and 35 over 63. Okay, who got 5 over 5? Congratulations! If you did not get 5, you can go back to this video until you fully understand. So, before I end this video, please click the subscribe and bell button so that you'll be notified if there is a new video.